Has claimed an Australian beer record, but it's nothing to be proud of. A new survey has found we have the most expensive lager in the nation by a massive margin.
We all know WA is an expensive place to live. Now we can also claim the title, the most expensive Australian city for a frothy. According to cost of living comparison website expartisan.com, the average price for a draft beer in WA is $9.47, almost $3 more than Sydney, almost $2 more than Melbourne. Beers are even cheaper in London and New York.
Pretty expensive actually, eh?
I think they're overpriced and it's not fair.
Despite the hit in the hip pocket, beer is still the most popular alcoholic drink of choice, making up 40% of the Australian market. But why do West Aussies pay more?
We are a little higher. There's a range of factors in that. Taxes and charges in WA are part of that. Cost of transport, because we don't have any breweries in WA anymore. But on top of that, we also don't have poker machines in WA, which subsidise a lot of pricing in every other state and territory.
We compared the prices of boutique beers at 3 Perth pubs using 3 of the most popular brands: Corona, Crown Lager and Peroni. Prices were the most expensive at the Breakwater in Hillary's at almost $10. The 3 beers cost $9 at the Windsor in South Perth. One of Perth's cheapest pubs is the Brook in Ellenbrook, where a Crown Lager is $7.50.
Our Coronas and our Crown Lagers, Budweisers, that sort of thing are always very, very well priced, and you'll find that your customers that do drink them regularly.
If you're paying $9 for a Corona in a pub, shouting a case with 24 bottles of beer would cost $216. But at a bottle shop like the Liquor Shed in Jandakot, it's only $40. That's less than $2 a beer.
We definitely bring in a lot of people with our beer prices. Very good price, so we compete with some of the major players in the industry, so we just keep pushing and go for it.
But don't expect pub prices to fall anytime soon.
We would love the consumer to be able to get a better price. If we could drop 10% off the price of a draft beer, that'd be fantastic for us and the consumer. But unfortunately, I don't think it's going to be a reality.
Oliver Peterson, 9 News.
Stay with us.